everyone and welcome back. Hope you're all doing great. Today I am back with a garden video. I am right now standing at the flower bed side of the garden. My friend came over last weekend and we had a heavy trim. Every 3 months we go for a heavy trim, and before the spring started we had heavy trim, and now the temperatures have warmed up and the flowers have become very bushy, which is shading the other plants beneath. So that's why we thought it's better to go for heavy trim. I mean, we left some flowering buds and stuff like that, but some dead flowers we had like a round shaped trim, so I'll share with you today. Getting this side of the garden trimmed, so all the flowering plants have outgrown, like, overly. So we're going to have a trim. She's my friend, she's helping me in the garden today. Hi. This fennel plant, 𝐶𝐸, is grown a lot and it's covering the other plants. As you can see, there's bell pepper over there and it's totally covered in this one. So we are having a very heavy trim. And that's the pond we have. We need to fill the water in. But around the pond we planted chrysanthemums a while ago and they are blooming every season. So all types of colors of chrysanthemum we've planted. And this is the other side of the flower bed. It's all neat, untidy. It looks very neat. So this is one side of the flower bed. In this pot we had yellow colored hibiscus, and that was like bright yellow, beautiful blooms, but after 2-3 years it died. So I planted this plant, and I always like to keep the names of the plants, and this is called Stratosphere Pink Picotti. This is really good. I like the color, it's so vibrant. The blooms are so vibrant, pink, neon pink color. And this one right here, I got it from garden center at very tiny pink flowers. This is another type of the plant. I think it's the foliage, variegated version. I don't remember the name of this one. I'll have a look though. And next to that plumbago. This one became huge and this grows really fast, so it needs, every 2 months it needs real good trim. As you can see, there are new flower buds coming up and the color is so bright. In my garden I've got all types of colors of plants, flowering plants. This is blue, light blue, sky blue, and this attracts lots of butterflies, dragonflies and all the beneficial insects. And next to that we have hybrid tea rose. This is red color. Every bloom the color changes. This is now slightly taken pink shade. Sometimes it takes bright red color, so I think it depends on the branch, I guess. And this is this is Chinese hat, and this is actually autumn flowers, but now we still have blooms up there. Beautiful orange, brick red orange color, and in the autumn season around August time it starts to bloom profusely, and you see all the orange shades in this plant. This is really beautiful. And this one we had babies, so I planted it in that pot right over there. And we asked my friend to trim to that level, because anyway the blooms are going to come in the autumn, so it's important to keep the height intact. And then there's one plant right there. It's not dead though, because of it's behind the Chinese hat plant. This was obstructing the sunlight, so the plant didn't turn up properly, but I think it has got space now, so hopefully it should do well. And next to this is pigeon butterfly or butterfly pea plant. Yeah, this is called butterfly pea plant, and it has got bright dark blue shade flowers, and it's winding nicely onto that. It's called Creeper Jenny. Light fluorescent green colored leaves, and they look really nice from inside the house, so you can't miss the color. This is kind of different shade. This is wildflower, mini sunflowers, yellow bright colored, small tiny flowers. Look, the bees are around it. It's so beautiful. I mean, this one is it produces flowers all the summer, and the seeds fall on the ground, and as you can see, this has spread here as well, which is really beautiful. The more you have, the merrier it is, so that's why we left it like that. And right here we have chrysanthemums, and that's the orange shade, that's the double shade of pink. And there's another one, this is pink, that's yellow. I love these flowers. They open up in the sunlight and they close in the evenings, and they look like cup and saucer type to me. They are so beautiful, very delicate petals. And this one right here is lobelia, very attractive blue color again. So beautiful. So we put it in the pot, tilted slightly, so it gives that waterfall effect. And this is another shade of chrysanthemum. And this is 𝐾𝐚𝐯, and this is growing like wild again. Just one leaf or one branch, it will spread. And there we have hibiscus. This is red hibiscus, and this is doing really good. And that's the hummingbird feed. We always get hummingbirds here. There are few hummingbirds in our area, so when we put this one, because of these flowers, they get attracted. Salvias or hummingbirds And hibiscus, I think hummingbirds are attracted to hibiscus. So when they were coming, we thought if we have nectar like this one, then they might come more often. That's what is happening now. And this is blue colored salvia. That's another type of rose. It's very light pink rose. It is not doing well now, but I think I've put fertilizer, so hopefully it should bloom. And this is Arabian jasmine. This is another type of flower which attracts hummingbirds. Pink fluorescent color, looks like a trumpet shape. And some crotons. We've got a palm tree up there. And to this side, this is a milkweed plant which attracts monarch butterflies. We had caterpillars a while ago, and so many, almost like 7 butterflies hatched. I'm really happy that in my garden these caterpillars turned into butterflies. This is milkweed plant. Well, that's all about today's video. Hope you liked this one, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.